Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up deal stages in Pipedrive for accurate forecasts, full guide step by step clearly. To set up deal stages in Pipedrive for accurate forecasts, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the settings icon in the upper right corner of your dashboard. From the drop-down menu, select Pipeline Management. In the Pipeline section, you will see an option to edit your stages. Click on the Edit Stages button. This opens a list of your current deal stages. Review your existing stages for relevance to your sales process. To add a new stage, click on the Add Stage button. Give the new stage a clear, descriptive name. Set the position of this stage in your pipeline by dragging it to the desired location. If needed, you can also remove or rename existing stages for better clarity. To set probabilities for each stage, click on the percentage next to the stage name. Input a percentage that reflects the likelihood of closing a deal at that stage. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Save Changes to apply them. Next, return to your dashboard to review the updated pipeline view. Ensure that the stages align with your team's sales process. Discuss the new stages with your team to get their feedback. Train your team on how to move deals through the stages effectively. Utilize the forecasting tools within Pipedrive to analyze potential revenue from deals at each stage. Regularly monitor and adjust deal stages as necessary to reflect changes in your sales strategy. With these steps, you will have a well-structured set of deal stages in Pipedrive that enhance forecasting accuracy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.